loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so very much, and to my day one cases. So today I'm gonna be unboxing a few items that I got from Takealot, and if you don't mind, please let's unbox together. So I'm gonna use this scissor to open all the boxes. So I have 3 boxes. I started by opening this one yesterday as soon as I received my parcel, and I was like, you know what, wait, we need to do this together. So this is the small first box. I think here there should be my phone cover or phone case, yes, and my memory card if I'm not mistaken. And in this other one, I think it's gonna be a screen protector, but we're gonna open together and see. And then we have this big one. I think this is where you get your LED light. But yeah, we're gonna open and see this whole thing together. Tip number 1, I had already started to open this one, so let's see what is inside together. So I think this was just used to maybe protect the cover or the case from breaking. I don't know, because it is a plastic cover, by the way, so I don't know why it was there. And this is what we have from this box. Okay, I think this is the screen protector. And then this is the phone case. So I've been meaning to get this phone cases. So I wanted H&M, and then they were out of stock. I don't know what happened. All the cases just kind of disappeared from the shelves, and I was like, you know what, this is my last option because my phone has no cover at all, has no case at all. So let's just try this one and see what's gonna happen, because I've been dying to get this one. So I think I kind of like it, but what I'm not happy about is this hole here. I really don't like the sign to show, so I don't know if I can return this one, but I'm just gonna use it for now in the meantime, and I'm gonna try to put something here to cover up because I hate seeing this hole here. So let's just put the phone and see. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna fit. I pray it fits. Also, I like the inside. It's kind of cute, and the bed is really soft, so just right to protect your phone. So let's just put and see. Good, it fits just right. I like the feel. I'm not sure about this one here, so I'm just gonna try and find something to cover up here because I hate this. I don't like this. This is just too extra for me. So other than that, it's okay. I think I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 because I like me some black cover, and it fits the phone perfectly. This is why I took my 3 points away. Good. So I'm gonna do this screen protector later on because I know it's another process doing this one. So let's get to the big master, the reason why we kind of actually ordered from Takealot. So that was my first small box, and this is my second small box. So this one we're gonna open it together like afresh. So I think I'm just gonna break it with my hands because yeah, I don't know why I should keep these boxes. So we also have this one, I think, to also just cover and stuff. This is the card. I kind of purchased this one because I noticed the one that I had was like 8 gig, and the quality of my videos were really, not what I wanted it to be. So I was like, oh, what is the reason? Because I cannot film in 4K or 1080 because of the memory card. So I kind of went in with this memory card. We're gonna try this one later on or in my next video and see how the quality of the videos will improve. I just hope this works. I really do. So last but not least, this big one here, Headmaster. Wow, I don't know how to do this one, but let's just do things together like I said. So I think this LED light came with a tripod, which is good, although I have another one, but yeah, this is gonna be a bonus tripod just in case I travel and I forget, whatever the case may be. So let's open the tripod and see. So like I was saying, the tripod is not that strong, but I hope it's strong enough to carry the weight of the light. So let's get to the light. This is our light finally, and I just hope it works. Let's unbox and try it together and see how the image quality is going to improve right now. This is all we found in the box plus the light itself. So this is the light, and like I said, let's get started and see. So this is a battery charger, and these are the batteries, and another pack of batteries. I have like 2 packs of batteries, which is good. And I think this is the pin to attach the light to the camera in case you just want the light to be on top of your camera, which is a plus as well. And this is the light charger, so let's start and see. So I don't know if you can tell the difference, but the light is on. Let me try and put it on top of the camera and switch off the ring light. This is the our new lighting right now. I don't know how I see it, but maybe you will see as time goes. So as I was saying, so this is the new light, and I also put the new memory card because the other one got full as per usual. And I guess so far I kind of like what I see, but I'm not really sure. And I also set the frame 1920 framing because yeah, but so far I think I like what I see. We'll see how it goes. Thank you guys. See you in my next. Bye. Mwah.